In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer within Canva using some helpful tools that streamline the process. This is perfect if you're looking to add a professional touch to your projects, whether it's for presentations, videos, or other creative endeavors. Let's dive in and take this step by step to make it as seamless and efficient as possible. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Canva project page. Once you're there, you should familiarize yourself with the workspace. This is your creative playground where all the magic happens. You might already have a project open, or you might be starting fresh. Either way, ensure everything's in place before proceeding to the next steps. Now go to the Apps section in Canva. It's here you'll search for Bulk Create. This feature is a game changer, especially when dealing with numerous elements. Type Bulk Create in the search bar, and once it appears, click Open. This will lead you into a space where you can manage massive data entries easily, saving you invaluable time and effort. Once you're in the Bulk Create app, you need to click on Enter Data Manually and then select Clear Table. Preparing the table for your data is crucial. It ensures there's no leftover information that might interfere with your current task. Though today we are crafting a 5-second countdown, this method is versatile enough for a full 5-minute timer. If you're pressed for time or just don't want to manually type out every second, head over to ChatGPT. Simply use the prompt, create a countdown from 5 to zeros like 5 o'clock, 4:59, 4:58, and so on. ChatGPT will swiftly generate the entire sequence for you. With your countdown sequence ready, click Copy. Return to Canva and paste this data into your table. The interface here is intuitive, but stay mindful of formatting and spacing to keep everything flawless. After pasting, hit Done. Your table is now populated with the countdown data. Next, you'll need to connect this data to your design. Right-click the number you've typed on your design page. In the context menu, you'll see the option Connect Data. Select this and then choose the dataset you just created. This step is critical. It links the visual aspect of your design to the data, making the countdown dynamic and functional. Once you confirm this by clicking OK, your countdown is set up and ready to use. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully built a countdown timer in Canva. This integration of technology and design not only elevates the final product, but also enhances the workflow. Whether you use this for educational purposes, marketing efforts, or personal projects, you've now got a tool under your belt that emphasizes efficiency paired with a clean aesthetic. Happy designing!